Namaskar, Shashtiyakal, Adab, Tasidile, and very good morning to everyone. We the Yuksamites, that is students from Yuksam Senior Secondary School, were very excited when our teacher announced that the government of India had provided us the opportunity to showcase our talent in the performing arts, and we were asked to choose one of the art forms out of music, dance, theatre, and we selected the theatre form as it's quite challenging. We have given our theatre a name as MIFAM, based on the theatre Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Here, I would like to introduce my friends in different characters. My name is Rubina Guru, and I'm playing the role of daughter.
Hello, my name is Ramkaran Guru. In this theatre, I'm playing a role of Mifsur. My name is Suresh Setri. In this theatre, I'm playing the role of doctor. My name is Sukhan Subha as a father.
Hello, my name is Tashi Wangir and I'm playing the role of Dum.
Hello, my name is Abhishek Gupta and I'm playing a role of villager.
Hello, my name is Vikas Limbu. In this theatre, I'm playing the role of villager.
Myself, Purva Singh Bhucha, and I'm playing the role of monk.
My name is Sunyang Masuba and I'm playing the role of mother. Hi, my name is Kanta Guru and I'm playing the role of grandmother.
Hi, myself Kamati Lepcha as a teacher.
Hi, myself Iksam Subha as a singer.
Bhutia is one of the tribe of Sikkim. They migrated to Sikkim in 16th century from the Tibet. In Sikkim, they are called Denjongpas. They have their own custom and traditions. This instrument is called Dramian. Dramian is a traditional Bhutia instrument with string used to singing song. It is often used in festivals.
This is called Nga. It is the traditional instrument of Bhutia culture. It is also used as dharma instrument by Buddhist monk. It is made of wood covered by the skin of animals.
Chang is the traditional drinks of Bhutia culture. It is made of fermented barley or millet and served in a bamboo container called pahi.
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
मैं युक्सम उच्चतर माध्यमिक पाठशाला के छात्र प्रणीता गुरु आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ, पूछिए जी।
सर, इससे और इसे क्या कहते हैं?
इसको जीरो कहते हैं और इसको खपसे कहते हैं।
सर, ये कैसे बनते हैं?
ये चावल का बनते हैं।
और सर, ये कौन कौन से अवसर पर बनाए जाते हैं?
ये हम नए फेस्टिवल, न्यू ईयर या शादी ब्याह के टाइम पर ये बनाए जाते हैं।
This is the beautiful necklace of Bhutia horn made of gold and stone like turquoise, ruby, gold, etc. And it wear in the time of marriage ceremony and festivals. These are prayer flags. Prayer flags are used to promote peace, compassion, strength and wisdom. It protects from evil spirits. There are many colors such as blue, white, red, green and yellow. The blue color symbolizing the sky, and the white color symbolizing the air or wind, and the red color symbolizing fire, green color symbolizing water, and the yellow color symbolizing earth.
Sir, I, Rubina Guru, students of Yuksam Senior Secondary School, would like to ask you a few questions regarding Sikkimese customs and traditions. Sir, my first question is that what is the significance of Losung?
So, basically for Bhutia community, Losung is the festival of harvesting, and in Losung people start their morning with the ceremony offering of pure water and
offering of different fruit produce which has been harvested and offered to the god and guardian deities, local deities, and they bless their young ones in the family, and they celebrate this new year for their longevity. And the head of the family, they get blessing for longevity, offering khada, and they make all this traditional dish like kabze, zero, and they also play with the flower with each other's significances, like basically you live with longevity, with good health and good harvest.
दादी माँ, मैं भी स्कूल जाना चाहती हूँ।
दादी माँ, मैं भी स्कूल जाना चाहती हूँ।
चुप, नालायक कहीं की, लड़के स्कूल नहीं जाती। जाकर अपनी माँ के साथ काम सीख ले।
मैं एक अच्छा गायक बनूंगा और दुनिया को दिखाऊंगा।
मैं एक अच्छे गायक बनूंगा और दुनिया को दिखाऊंगा।
कर जा रहा हूँ।
बहन मैं घर छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ।
अलिकति एक्टिङ पनि गरेको जस्तो गरौँ हैन। बहन मैं घर छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ भनेर ये सब गरेको छु हैन। त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ फेरि के भन्नु र?
लड़कियाँ सब बड़े भन। लड़कियाँ सब बड़े
Next question is, can you please highlight the marriage ceremony system prevailing in the Bhutia community of Sikkim?
So basically, like there's long process is there. First, you have to go to the monk and according to their zodiac sign, so it has to match between two girl and boy. So there are some basic they will see is like the boy and girl shouldn't have 7 years gap, or 7 years younger or elder will be not fruitful. So they see all this thing and what are your elements, so they match this, and then they see which are the good day for marriage, and even the time is specific, so what time they have to groom and bride has to enter, so what kind so they have to go to the kitchen and see the kitchen, then they will go to the altar room. So once they enter the altar room, then the blessing of the wedding is will be fruitful.
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
आपसे मैं कुछ प्रश्न पूछना चाहता हूँ।
आप पूछिए।
पहले आपकी शिक्षा के समय में महिला भ्रूण नशा पर प्राथमिकता दिया जाती थी?
सिक्किम के संदर्भ में महिला भ्रूण नशा का कोई अवधारणा है ही नहीं, क्योंकि सिक्किम में बेटा और बेटी को बराबर प्राथमिकता दिया जाता है, और बेटियों को तो बेटा से भी ज्यादा प्राथमिकता देने का भी सिक्किम का संस्कृति है, इसलिए इस पर कोई सिक्किम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था।
20 साल पहले लड़कियों की शिक्षा किस स्तर पर कैसी थी और आज कैसा है?
अच्छा, आज से 15-20 साल पहले आज के जैसे शिक्षा में तकनीकी सुविधा नहीं थी। जैसे तकनीकी सुविधा के क्षेत्र में जैसे कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन ये सब अब होने लगा है, तो इसमें लड़के के बराबर लड़की लोग भी इसमें आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन पहले ये सब सुविधाएं नहीं थी। और दूसरी ओर सरकार भी आजकल मतलब लड़कियों की शिक्षा के लिए ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए आज के लड़कियों की शिक्षा का स्तर तो अच्छा है।
बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहती है?
ये बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ एक अच्छा धारणा जो भारत सरकार ने ऐलान किया है, इसके तहत लड़कियों का वो जो भ्रूण हत्या का जो समस्या है वो भी खत्म हो जाएगा। तो बेटी तो देवी के समान माना जाता है, तो देवी के समान जब बेटी का भ्रूण हत्या हो ये तो अच्छा नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए इसका अवधारणा लेकर भारतीय समाज को आगे बढ़ना जरूरी है।